welcome to my show. My name is Audrey. Today we're gonna make strawberry dip chocolate. And we all have the ingredients. First we need strawberry, chocolate, and water to make it cool down. Okay, and first we use strawberry. You grab it like this. I show you. I put the chocolate here. I mix it. That's how you make strawberry dip.
Nice. So how do you warm up the chocolate?
You warm up chocolate with this thing. Be very careful. It's making hot.
So what are you gonna do with the chocolate right there?
And you're gonna pour it in.
Go ahead.
Wow. That's it.
So now we'll probably have to wait about 10 minutes for the chocolate to warm up.
Yeah, I got to melt it. Melt it. Okay, there's the clock. Okay. It's Valentines.
Go ahead and mix the chocolate.
Okay, let's mix the chocolate. It's not done still. Mixing. It's not done yet. Still chocolatey.
Do you like chocolate dipped strawberries?
Yeah,
What do you like about them?
because my dad buys them for me at the store. Well, at the store it was delicious, and why make you another game is delicious? I really think. Okay, now it's all melted. That makes very smooth. Okay, it's on there.
So how does it look?
It looks smooth. I don't see the
Looks good. So what's your next step?
My next step, strawberry dips. Okay, let me take this out. Where did I put this?
On the paper.
Ah! Oh, I do this. Whoa!
Okay, now let it just drip. Let it drip. Pull it up. Let it drip. Now go ahead and move it to the paper
Okay.
on your tray.
Okay, now I go use this. I can pour. The fact is hard to get.
Careful.
Okay, Mimi goes to plug it in here.
So kids, please make sure you ask an adult for help to put the stick in the strawberry.
Okay, please kids put the stick in the strawberry first with adults. Okay. Dad, give me help this time. See, looks like last in the pool. Get it? get it? No food. That's well, like a cooler. Okay, that's it. Perfect.
I'm gonna go ahead and help you with this one.
Okay. See? Now the other one we done is food. Get it, pulley, now food, and now hearts.
So why do you do that?
Because you want very good chocolate in here.
Oh, it helps you get a good coating.
Yep, good coating. Okay, you see there's 1, 2, 3. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. That can be held. Okay. Now, there's 11. There's 2 more strawberries left.
They're gonna be tasty.
Yep, they're gonna be so tasty. Oh, I need more mulberry. Ah, it's a big wave of coming out. I'm not good. Again. Look at me now. Now I'm so stuck around.
You wanna go wash your hands?
I think, yeah. Ah! Okay. Okay, now I can go wash my hands. I think. Now, how much we put? We'll have this count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10.
Turn it, can we see it?
Yeah. Yes, it is. Those are the 4.
That looks really good.
Okay, now I gotta wait to dry. It's gonna take a while. Okay.
Go ahead and enjoy the strawberry.